Elana Meyers Taylor has got the pocket rocket, Kerry Jones, all 5'1" of her behind. And Elana returning to the track where a crash led to concussion that robbed her, she says, of a year of her career.
Huge relief, huge monkey off my back. I really wanted to come in and win this race, and it was a huge win for us, not only me, but for our whole program. You know, the coaches really helped me through this. They know everything we went through last year, and they really helped me get back, and Kerry pushed me great today. She's awesome, and the crazy thing is she hasn't even come close to reaching her potential. I'm so excited to see what she can do in the future.